One thing I learned this year is that life is always gonna throw you curveballs. You just gotta know how to take a hit, and keep it pushing. It ain't no point to be dwelling on something that's out of your control. Good morning, y'all. So I did not have my phone all day yesterday, y'all, and it sucked so bad. Well, not too bad, but it sucked just a little bit because I wasn't able to vlog yesterday. But welcome back to another video. Happy Memorial Day. I know some people gonna be barbecuing. Some people was barbecuing yesterday, but yeah, my family not. Unfortunately, they do it every year, even when it ain't a holiday, they barbecue. But yeah, I just wanted to check in with y'all. I'm finishing up my vlog from last week, getting ready to upload that vlog today. I was supposed to upload it yesterday, but I did not have my phone. So yeah, y'all, I hope y'all have a great Monday. There's no school on work today, so we finna just kick our feet up and chill and just vibe. You know, we might listen to some music or something. But yeah, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next clip, yo. What happened? Show him your chase. Come show him your chase.
Look at my chase. Look at my chase. What? That's what's on me.
That's you.
Yeah.
Say hey.
Hey.
Say bye.
Bye.
All right. So y'all, I done made me a smoothie. I did not record the process because I had to hurry up and leave out. But as y'all can see, they got the chia seeds. It's a strawberry banana, and I am currently on the way to work. It's a beautiful day outside, y'all. So yeah, I mean, today gonna be a little busy, of course. And look at that beautiful sky. It looks so beautiful. Like, what the heck? But yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Good morning, y'all. So this morning my car did not start. Like, thank God that it's a beautiful day outside where we can walk to school, because the school not too far away. That's the good thing about it. But I gotta wait on my cousin to give me a little jump. But to be honest, I've been saying it's time for me to sell that car anyway. So yep, walk with us to school. But thank y'all for walking to school with us. Bye. See y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm at the laundromat, y'all. Hold on. Hey, y'all. So this is me walking to work. It's a nice, beautiful day to walk, I guess. But I'm only walking a mile, y'all. So, like, when I'm, hold on, y'all. Let me turn my camera around. He told me to come in at 9:30 today, so that's why I'm early. Y'all know I usually start at 10. And yeah, just happy Friday, y'all. One thing I learned this year is that life is always gonna throw you curveballs. You just gotta know how to take a hit, like, and keep it pushing. It ain't no point to be dwelling on something that's out of your control. That's why I'm happy. Like, even though my car not running, I'm still happy. Like, I still could get to work. I still could take Kaden to school. Like, I have no complaints. However, as far as like going out and stuff, I am gonna have to start taking lifts, but it is what it is at this point. I'm definitely gonna still be vlogging, even if I have to walk up to the park or finish vlogging in the house like I used to. But now we gonna make it work. We always make a way. But yeah, I ain't gonna hold y'all because I'm feeling this to my music and vibe out. I'll check back in with y'all when I'm halfway there. Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to another clip. This is actually going to be me closing out this vlog. It's been a lot of crazy stuff going down this week, so excuse me for having the vlog all over the place. We are currently walking to school. Once again, my car not starting. Don't know what's going on, don't know what's wrong with it, but we're gonna see. Today I might have to get it towed to a shop. And yeah, that's basically it. Happy Friday. This vlog was supposed to end yesterday, honestly, but like I said, it's been a lot going on. Oh yeah, I got gym today. So yeah, y'all, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Hey y'all, thank y'all for watching. So can y'all please head over to my TikTok and follow me at Amore Divine with 2 E's, please and thank you. Like, where are all my followers? The views is there, but the followers ain't there. Just like my Instagram. But y'all, yeah, go follow me on TikTok. Thank you. Bye.